Mate, change it.
Sorry.
For the sat nav, or shall I give directions? Give directions,
please.
Okay, for the sat nav then. Yeah. Okay. Turning right.
Oh, I didn't indicate. Sorry about that. Dad was making me anxious and not helping my self-esteem when I'm a good driver.
What's making you anxious?
My dad made me anxious,
oh, yeah.
and it's affecting my self-esteem, saying I shouldn't do my driving when I should,
okay.
And it pissed me off.
It's all these new adverts on the back of the bus. What's trying to put a sink in the car?
What's this called again?
Oh, that's the demister.
Demister front and demister rear. That's the front. What's this one? The back.
Yes, yes.
And then what's this? Is the heat thing, yeah?
Yeah. So you've got the heat closest to you. So you see this blue and this red. That's your heat.
Okay. First or second?
First.
Yeah, I need more work on roundabouts. That's where I lack.
We can have a look at that today if you want.
I'll be scared, like I always have been.
So just try to apply what knowledge you've got. So let's say if you were going to go left at a roundabout, how would you do that?
Say that again?
So if the examiner...
So 20 miles an hour.
If your driving test examiner says turning left at the roundabout, how would
You overtook straight away.
how would we do that?
So say again?
So if the examiner on your test says turn left at the roundabout, how would you do it?
Don't know yet.
So what lane would you use? 1 or 2?
1 for turning left.
Brilliant.
2 for turning right.
Correct.
And you're supposed to indicate apparently as well, so other drivers know what you're doing. I need to learn how to do that. I was watching it, but I had my delivery coming on my YouTube. But they haven't got many on there, you know. Like video clips around this area. I've got a couple. They should put some more in there.
I'll show you the roundabouts today as well. Right, once we pass this iron bridge, we're on Southall Test Roads. Just moved from the left lane to the right. No, it's very hard to see the road marking. Keep to the right, Jay. Thank you.
Until I still recording, by the way.
Traffic lights, yeah. Traffic lights, well, I can scrap this bit. Traffic lights turning right.
So I can change my name as a vulnerable victim.
Yeah. I just don't know no docs. You know what I mean by docs? Alright, no docs.
Yeah, because I'm supposed to do that, but yeah. Slow down.
Let them move, and then we can go. Just watch the road ahead here, it's very narrow. We're almost at the test centre.
I know, it's quick.
Yeah, it's not
Go
far.
towards Greenford if you want as well.
Yeah, possibly. We might be able to wrap around. So back to the roundabout. So you said if you're going left, you would signal left, and you'd use lane 1. Cool. What about if we're going straight ahead? Do we signal, and what lane do we use?
Sorry, say that again?
So if we're going to go exit 2 at the roundabout, let's say it's straight ahead.
Straight ahead and you got to indicate right?
No. No indicator.
No indicator,
No,
yeah?
because it's straight. And what lane do we use? Lane 1 or lane 2?
Lane 1.
Yes.
Not that one, that's the other one. It's just oncoming.
Okay.
Incoming
Cool. Yeah.
cars.
Fair
Your
enough.
ongoing car and an incoming. Is that how it is? Yeah, I think so. Oh well, that's how I see it.
Yeah, it kind of makes sense. And the last one on the roundabout would be turning right. So if we're turning right, do we signal, and what lane do we use?
It's the same lane here, because that's oncoming cars, no?
Correct.
This is a
yeah.
one-way system. No, it's not. It's oncoming cars.
So that's two-way.
So you stay in your first lane, and then you indicate right when you get to the end of the lane.
Okay.
You don't need to indicate here. I'll do that anyway.
We're slowing down here.
Oops, that's a bit wobbly. My bad. Cars here. No cameras in there.
There's a bit of space on the left. Ooh.
Sorry. Yeah, that needs to be done. On a whole new phone.
Did you see that?
Yeah, the woman.
Yeah. So that car that's parked at the zebra crossing is hiding the pedestrian. So just take care if we approach a zebra crossing. There may be a pedestrian that's a little bit concealed.
That was a fail then, what I just did. A little bit.
Yeah, it could be more than a fail. It could be
Because
a
it's a 20 mile an hour.
fatality.
Fate. Alright, I'll be more careful then.
What character would be if you were in Mortal Kombat? What character would you be if you were
I
in
don't even know what
Mortal
Mortal Kombat is.
Kombat? There's one called character. She's got katanas. I think she's called Katana actually. I think you'd be Katana. She's one of the original characters as well. Okay, we're here, and just take care here. So brakes, brakes, brakes. See if there's anything going on. Yeah, and then when we can see, maybe accelerate. Maybe change it.
Sorry! Sorry!
At the roundabout, straight ahead, second exit.
Little mini roundabout for you.
And we've arrived at our destination.
We arrived. This ain't hard to do. I'll pass straight away, it's fine. I'll be extra careful next time with it.
As long as you don't give up, Jodie, we're doing this, okay? We're going to get your license. I will not give
One
up.
earlier than April, they put me in for April Fools. It's actually kind of a joke. Actually kind of funny if they passed me on April Fools. Thank you. Wait, emoji. Sorry.
And maybe just stop
Is
him
this why it's always free?
free. What,
Can I do a
parking?
U-turn?
Oh, careful with the pavement.
Shall I do a U-turn?
Well, we don't need to.
No?
Not really.
No? Alright, should I carry on just going straight?
Sure.
Can I put somewhere else in there? Put green for the driving test and
Yeah, let's pull up on the left then. Go on the pavement here, I guess, if you want to. I'll show you. Yeah, that's nice. Just stop there.
sorry, you can't even park here, you know.
That's alright, we're only going to be a second.
Okay, go on.
And just secure the car.
Secure the car for you.
And
Okay.
just pull the handbrake. Cool. And relax. So like the real exam. So if you're booked here at Southall, your examiner's going to come with this from the 90s, and they're going to put it here, and then they're going to ask you to follow it.
Okay.
How does that sound?
It's fine.
Yeah.
It's easy, and I don't mind following it.
Cool. And it will take us kind of towards Greenford as well, so we can pass through there if you want to afterwards.
Okay, we don't have to if you don't want to. You can take me somewhere else.
All right, sure.
Because I have to go home towards home anyway, but don't mind.
All right, cool.
Because there's a little roundabout there, a big one. So I need to learn, don't I? Just in case he takes me on a roundabout and I completely fail.
Yeah.
It's alright if I fail with you, because it's a learning process.
Yeah, cool. Yeah, you're right. That's a good way of looking at it.